Dryden Universal Theater presents more woeful pageants than the scene wherein we planned. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts, his act being 7 ages. At first, the infant, viewing and puking in the nurse's arms. Ah! Curtains messed up! Then the whining schoolboy with the satchel and shining morning face, reek like snow, unwilling to speak. And then the level sang like Faunus with a woeful ballad made to his mistress's eyebrow. And then the soldier, full of strange oath, bearded like a pard, jealous in arm, sudden and quaking crowd, seeking the vapid reputation, even in the cannon's mouth. Then the justice and fair round belly and good compon line, eyes severe and beard a formal cut, and so he plays his part. The 6th age shifts to the lean and the slippered pantaloon. The spectacles on nose and pouch on side. His youthful hose, well saved, a world too wide for his shrunk shank, and his big manly voice turning again toward childish treble, pipes and whistles in his sound. Last scene of all that ends this strange, eventful history is second childishness and mere oblivion. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything.